Jeff Bezos isn't just the founder of Amazon, he's one of the richest men on Earth. But how exactly does he spend his billions? Born in Albuquerque, New Mexico, Bezos was raised by a teenage mom and adopted by his Cuban stepfather. In 1994, Bezos quit Wall Street to launch Amazon from his garage. He sold only books. Today, Amazon is worth over $1.5 trillion. Bezos is no longer CEO, but still earns billions. Bezos owns a $500 million mega yacht named Kodu, with its own helipad and support yacht. His $75 million Gulfstream G650 ER is one of the fastest and most elite jets on Earth. Bezos's Beverly Hills home is worth $165 million, once owned by Jack Warner. His $23 million DC mansion used to be a museum. Now it has 25 bathrooms. Jeff Bezos isn't done with Earth. His space company, Blue Origin, already sends tourists to space. He avoids early meetings and focuses on just 3 major decisions daily. Bezos pledged $10 billion to fight climate change through the Bezos Earth Fund. Some criticize his taxes and working conditions, but Bezos stays focused on innovation. Post-divorce, Bezos is dating Lauren Sanchez. They travel the world together. He's not just building companies, he's shaping the future of humanity. From a garage to space, Bezos proves dreams have no limits. Subscribe to USA Focus 23 for more incredible stories.